Good morning. My name is Charles Tate. I am the CEO of Talent Scouting Worldwide. I'm responsible for such fine names as Tom Brady, Morgan Wallen, and Elvis Presley. Back-to-back state champion Vikels, I found them before they were even born. National debatist, Jerome Guyman, I found him before he was even born. Vic the Viking, I found him floating off the coast of Madagascar before he was even born.
What do I think of the CEO? He told you he found who? That was on me.
But I found the most fine creation ever to roam this earth. He's greater than Jordan, Michael Jordan, I found him. He's greater than Patrick Mahomes, I found him too. And guess what? He's better than all of them, more talented.
So, what are your talents?
Well, all of them. All of them. Everything.
Are you more musically gifted or
Mm-hmm. Yes.
just very talented?
Yeah, it's a lot.
All right.
Yeah, no, Charlie definitely found this creature all by himself.
So, where are you from?
I have found that Charlie is just extremely unresponsible. My gosh, this guy is like a child. He takes routine naps and goes to the bathroom a lot. I found him at the vending machine when we're supposed to be working. He plays with Legos. Am I the babysitter or the assistant? Charlie, never working.
I don't need to, I found Bennett already.
Are you sure he's good enough?
Yeah, try to find someone better.
Oh, really? Let's make a bet. If you think you're so good at promoting talent, we'll see who takes your job.
Let's do it. So where are we again?
We're at Belmont High School.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, I got all the talent. It's in here.
But this is where Bennett's gonna get us done.
Nope, you're gonna get crushed.
Oh, yeah? We'll see.